Unfortunately, the trial judge, Justice Fred Ochieng, was not sitting today. We went before Justice Chemite. We appeared as a court that was holding brief. 4 issues came into play. 1, the defendant had not responded and served us. They sneaked their papers to court physically against the resolution of the judiciary that we must be served virtually. They filed a preliminary objection. A preliminary objection is a document that says the matter cannot proceed until that question of law has been settled. To me, this was a delaying tactic, and I told the judge that even if I've been served in court, I'm ready to argue that preliminary objection. Having realized that they cannot survive with the PO, they withdrew. They considered that the PO is not a question of law, because the PO was based that the incoming governor had exaggerated the amount he is demanding, which by essence they are saying that they are guilty, but it is the amount that he has asked that is exorbitant. And we are saying the amount we sought for, the 200 million, is in one matter. We are filing 4 other matters, each 250 million. We shall be seeking cumulatively 1.2 billion shillings from the defendant. Number 2, this is a case not for the incoming governor. This is a case to defend the dignity of women. This is a case Mheshimiwa has gone to court to defend the dignity of wives. Yes. This is a case Mheshimiwa has gone to court as a spokesman to defend the dignity of children. Yes.
Kwa hivyo ninataka mkirudi nyumbani muhakikishe kwamba mnaeneza injili ya amani. Hii kesi haitaamuliwa na vita ya hawa wakora wenye wamezoea town. Hii kesi itaamuliwa kulingana na sheria iliyoko, kulingana na katiba ya Kenya, na kulingana na ile evidence yenye wakili wetu atapeleka mbele ya mahakama. Keep your peace. The future is good. We are going to win and win big.